Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a rigid container containing 150.1 liters for volume. It holds 1 kilogram of water at an initial pressure of 2 MPa. The container is cooled until the water reaches a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Find the initial temperature of water and then find the final pressure inside the container. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the initial temperature. So we need to find the specific volume. Since it's a rigid container, the initial volume is the same as the final specific volume. So step 4, find the specific volume formula, so it's the actual volume divided by mass. Step 5, we plug and play to find the specific volume. So we divide the 150.1 liters by 1,000 to get it to meters cubed. So when you divide the actual volume by mass, you'll get 0.1501 meters cubed per kilogram. Step 6, go to the pressure table, compare the specific volume with the table specific volume. So 0.1501 is greater than saturated vapor, so that means it's a superheated vapor. Step 7, go to the superheated table. We're going to use the pressure, so 2000 kPa or 2 MPa, and the specific volume. We line that up, so it is in between 400 and 350 degrees Celsius, so that means we need to linear interpolate. Step 8, we're going to linear interpolate. This is the general formula for the ratio method of linear interpolation. The left hand side is the temperature, right hand side is the specific volume. So the initial temperature is 395.56 degrees Celsius. Step 9, find final pressure. So we go to the temperature table at 40 degrees Celsius. That's what's given in the question. And then we compare the specific volume with the specific volume in the table. So it is in between saturated liquid and vapor. That means it's a saturated mixture. So that means the pressure is going to be the saturated pressure. So the final pressure is 7.3851 kPa. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Once open, click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.